Hey guys, what's up? It's Frederick here again, and today we're actually taking a look at the SkullCandy Crusher Evos. Yes, I have the black and white in the studio right now, and listen, these headphones are popular for one thing, bass. So let's just get straight into it. If you like the scene you just watched, consider liking this video, subscribing, and clicking on the notification bell. So if I upload any video in the future, you'll be the first to know.
Step on the land, I've got your hand, and now we're way down, fade out low. Was it your plan? Can't understand. I love the air you bring, everything. Under the sun, a fire is burning. You tell me to hold on tight. I wish that we could stay here forever. I wanna remember. Oh, the sight of you brings a fight in me, makes me wanna move. Fingers down your spine, looking in my eyes, feel your hands on mine. Tonight we're freer than ever.
First of all, I'll talk about the bass and the bass slider. These Crusher Evos are all about that sensory bass experience. This is not your regular boosted bass. This is bass you literally feel. There's a dedicated haptic driver in the ear cups, and SkullCandy gives you a physical slider on the left to control how intense you want the bass to be. With the slider all the way down, this headphone sounds like a pretty normal pair with a warm low end. Slide it halfway and the bass becomes fuller and more immersive. When you push this slider all the way up, bro, the entire headphone starts vibrating. If you love heavy bass gaming explosions, Afrobeat, hip-hop, EDM, this thing is insane. It's basically like having a mini subwoofer on your head. The Skull logo on the packaging and on the headphones even shows that this thing is going to shake your brain. If you've ever been on a tour with maybe Justin Bieber or these kind of heavy artists, the way the ground shakes and the way you guys experience their performances, the way the sub hits, that's the kind of experience you get when this is on your head. Let's talk about sound quality. Outside the vibrating bass, the Crusher Evos actually sound good overall. Mids are clean enough for vocals and dialogue. Even though they get a little warm when the bass is high, the highs are decent, not extremely detailed like studio headphones, but good for casual listening. When the sensory bass is turned off, this thing sounds more balanced, and with the SkullCandy app, you can create a personal sound profile that really improves clarity. These are not made for audiophiles who want perfect balance. These are made for people who want fun, bass, drops, and a sound with more energy and impact. I am going to give you guys a sound test of this SkullCandy Crusher Evo. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put this microphone in the ear cups so you guys will hear exactly what this sounds like. I'll also adjust the bass slider a little bit so you see how it sounds like with the bass slider turned all the way down.
I don't wanna hear you tonight. I don't wanna fight you. You don't wanna know if I feel alright. I don't wanna just forgive you. I just wanna be fine. I've been waiting for a sign to light up. Yeah. And your heart is out of sight. I just wanna feel mine. Hey, you. I'm gonna be the one for another one.
Let's talk about the design and build. This Crusher Evo has a simple, rugged design with a matte finish. This white version looks super clean and modern, while the black version gives that stealthy, everyday look. The headphones feel solid and flexible. The cushions are soft and comfortable. Even for long listening sessions, you get physical buttons for volume, playback, and power. No confusing touch controls. And this comes with a USB-C for charging. And then this has a tile tracking feature built in. So if you misplace them, you can easily find them on your phone. They are foldable and portable. And honestly, SkullCandy did a great job making them feel durable without being too heavy. So let's talk about who these headphones are for. This SkullCandy Crusher Evo is perfect for bass lovers. This is literally designed for you. Gym users, gamers, you know when you're playing Call of Duty and then you feel the explosions? Yes, explosions feel next level with this haptic bass. Casual listeners who want a fun sound with strong impact, people who want comfort for long listening sessions. However, if you want a super neutral, studio accurate sound, this is not the headphone for that. These are made for enjoyment, not audio engineers. Battery life is the strongest point on this headphone. SkullCandy claims up to 40 hours of playback, and that's even with sensory bass turned on. You also get fast charging. 10 minutes of charge gives you about 4 hours of listening time. So even if the battery dies, you are back up in minutes. Price-wise, the Crusher Evo usually retails around 199 Canadian dollars, but you can often find them on sale for around 150 Canadian dollars or less, depending on the color and store. The experience you get, especially that unique sensory bass, is actually a great value compared to other bass-heavy headphones in this category. My final thoughts: if you're someone who wants powerful bass, solid comfort, long battery life, and a unique listening experience you can't get from Sony or Bose, then the SkullCandy Crusher Evo is absolutely worth checking out. This white version looks good. The real reason you are buying these is because of the signature bass. And trust me, once you try this slider, it's hard to go back to regular headphones. The microphones on these are not the best for phone calls, but still gets the job done. So that's just a point for you. If you want something that makes phone calls, you should probably get the Sony X1000 Mark 5s or Mark 6s or an Apple AirPod.